Hello everyone, it is Erin from Erin Designs. Here on the Archer and Olive channel, I am happy to be an ambassador for Archer and Olive, and I am here to show you some fun ways to do nail art using your acrylographs. For the holidays, for any time of day, it looks good regardless. So here I am putting on all of the acrylograph specialties for each of the nails. Basically what I did is I have acrylic tips on right now. You can do this on your normal nail as well. I put down a base coat of nail polish. So in this case, you can see the nail polish that I used up on the top there. I used some Holo Taco. I used white, a beige, and a blue glitter nail polish. So luckily we have tons of great acrylograph colors that would go with this color palette. So I decided to use the blue glitter acrylograph, the blue metallic acrylograph, the golden hour acrylograph, and the silver metallic. And I am using a UV lamp right here, but that is totally not necessary. I just wanted to speed up the drying process, and I like to cure my nails afterwards. So I definitely like using that UV lamp, but you do not have to use that at all. You can just wait a little bit longer for it to dry. So I wanted to do a couple different types of art on these nails. So I used 10 different types of art for these nails. I did a few that had different types of squiggly lines and squiggly patterns. I did a few that had the straight lines and patterns. So on my middle left hand, I have like a little cute plaid pattern with the blue glitter going down and the golden hour going across. I use a polka dot pattern, and I also use a star pattern. So those are the ones that I decided to do on my left hand, and now you can see that I am putting a top coat on, and this really just helps seal it. You can do this with a gel curing top coat, or you can just do it with a regular top coat. And you can use, instead of a UV lamp, you can also just use a fan, or you can blow on it with your mouth. So those are the few different methods of drying in a more quick fashion. So you can see all of the designs that I have done here on my left hand shortly, and then I am going to go ahead and move over to my right. Now, I'm not a lefty by any means. So I definitely had a harder time using my left hand than my right hand. So my suggestion is definitely to make the designs a little bit more simple for your non-dominant hand. Or if you have a really nice partner, go ahead and ask them to assist you. So you can see, like what I did with my pinky, I just colored that tip in a little bit, and I am doing angled patterns. The star that I did on my right hand was just 4 lines instead of doing like the whole star. So it's just like a little glimmer versus doing the entire star. And then I did some line patterns and things like that as well. And if you are having trouble doing any sort of designs with your non-dominant hand, you can also practice. I have included some nail art practice sheets so that you can get an idea of what type of art that you want to do, and you can practice with your non-dominant hand, or you can just kind of practice different types of designs and see how they would look with the PDF printable sheets that I have included in the blog. And definitely go check out the blog because I put a lot of tips and tricks and walk you through my process over in that blog as well. I've also included some nail care tips that are really good if you are going to be painting your nails often. And trust me, with these acrylograph little art things that you're going to be doing, you're definitely going to want to be painting your nails more often. So there's some nail care tips. There's some tips just in general for using the acrylographs, walking you through my process on how to do it from start to finish. I also talk about using the acrylic tips in that blog, and definitely getting to use that nail care printable, because then you can practice before you end up using your acrylographs, and you can see how everything works together. So thank you so much. If you are interested, you can always show off your new acrylograph nails over on Instagram, and you can tag myself at Erin Designs and at Archer and Olive, and use the hashtag AOShare to let us see the beautiful pieces of art that you come up with on your nails. So thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Bye, everyone.